Crafting a business plan. Have you ever gotten stuck trying to figure out how to turn your business idea into reality? Well, what if I told you that there's a powerful business plan that can be the roadmap to your success? But most people fail because they don't know how to successfully create one. In this video, we're going to share the exact steps to help you to craft a winning business plan. Avoid mistakes and set your business up for success. But before we jump in, make sure you smash the subscribe button for more actionable tips that will help you to make your business successful. All right, and also share it with someone that may need a little clarity on the entrepreneur journey. All right, let's build success together.
If they can do it, you can too. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Melissa J. Williams. Again, this is Dr. Melissa J. Williams. Live your best life doing what you love.
All right, whether you're starting a new business or you're looking to level up your existing one, a solid business plan is your foundation. It's not just about writing, it's about strategy, clarity, and knowing your goals. In this video, I'll break down everything that you need from your executive summary to your marketing analysis, financial projections, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools that you need in order to create a business plan that not only looks good, but that gets results. The executive summary is the first thing that people see. It needs to grab attention. Think of it like an elevator pitch. In just 1 or 2 paragraphs, explain your business concept, target audience, and what makes you unique. Don't forget to mention your goals, whether it's funding, partnership, or scaling up. Remember, in this section is like a movie trailer. It should make people want to know more. What's the most exciting thing about your business idea? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. The next thing is your marketing analysis. This is where you prove you've done your homework. Answer these questions. Who are your competitors? What trends are shaping your industry? And who is your ideal customer? Use stats, visuals, and solid research to paint a clear picture of your market. Remember, a well-informed plan is a credible plan. What's one challenge you'll face in understanding your market? Let me know in the comments. I might cover this in a future video. Now, let's talk about your business structure and services and products that you offer. Are you a sole proprietor, an LLC, or a corporation? Break this down clearly in your plan. Then detail what you're selling. Focus on your unique selling proposition.
If you found this helpful, make sure to download my free business plan template. It's linked in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable content to level up your business.